Hi, if you're watching this video, it's because you live in the city of Newport Beach and you need help on a Jeep. Why Francisco's Automotive? Because he's been in business since 1985, because he's been working on Jeeps since the 80s, because he hires master techs, because he gives a 3-year warranty on most of his work. Why Francisco's Automotive? Because he has he sends his guys to school for 2 weeks a year, a month. We specialize in electrical, we specialize in air conditioning. Any automotive questions? I used to have 2 shops. I sold one, I moved the other one. So I have a little bit of experience. I used to have over 30 people working for me. Now there's only 15, 16 of us, and we work as a team. My guys are not on commission. There's nobody up front selling you the work. It's me and my partner up front. So we don't have to pay a bunch of people to make a profit. So call me with any of your questions. You got a problem, you got a car somewhere else, call me with any of your questions. If you live in the city of Newport Beach, right next door. My phone number is 714-375-2661.